Okay, here we are again. Back to the injectors. I got a whole brand new set on here, but I'm gonna take them out. And the issue is this shit right here. Every one of these locks are broke on it, so they won't lock in. So I'm getting the P0200 and the P0300 code pulled on it. So I'm going to simplify the process, which I've already done. I bought new ones, and then I bought the connectors, and they sell two different type connectors, and you need to really like check them, because I like mine. I wanted to check. There's one that's just a fraction smaller than this, and man, I was having a hell of a time just trying to get those on over there. So I bought new injectors, and I bought new connectors, and then I got heat shrink. This shit here will shrink down bullet connectors, which there's the males, and I'll do all the females on that thing too, and then I'll heat shrink them down. So it's easier, because I'm trying to get this damn thing right here down in there. I get them in there. The only problem is they, when the motor cranks up, they just vibrate out loose. When it first cranks up, it's smooth as hell, but then after a minute it starts pulling the codes, because damn things just vibrate out of there. And plus, I could have problems. If you look at your wires, these things, they go like that, and right there I have white. It's a little white, so I'm gonna cut these right here. This is where I'm finding I'm gonna have an issue further down the road, so I'm gonna cut them right up here and here. You can see where they're bent. All of them are like that, and it's only the right hand side. The left hand side, they all locked in, but with that issue over there, I'm gonna go ahead and do these as well and be done with it, and go from there. And I'm gonna tell you something else. This power steering pump, man, my chest hurts so bad. My chest and my ribs, and it's because I'm laying up on this thing and getting hung up on that thing. But getting that thing off, that was a chore. Yeah, I got the puller, and all that shit. That was a chore. Putting it back on was a nightmare. Oh, God. And, well, I got it on there. It took every ounce of my energy to get it on there. Man, I hurt so bad from this shit, it's unreal. But I'm back on it again today, and I want to get this taken care of, which ain't going to take me too much longer, because I'm already, all I got to do is just pull the rails off and pop out all my injectors, put my new injectors in. Well, I'm going to put them on the rails and then stick the rails down there, and then do all my wires. And then heat shrink them. We'll crank it up then. It'll be a couple hours from now, because I am in no rush. I got some bush that's keeping me company, and then I got to deal with that thing over there too. I'm bending a step out. This thing was folded all the way up, and I imagine I got it pulled out this much, so I got to hook the winch onto it and pull it forward and pry down at the same time. Just get it somewhat. It's really nothing cost that much, but I think I can fix that. That's $60, you know, but why spend it if I can fix it where I can use it? Something to step up on. Then I'll change the oil. Then I'll change the hydraulic filters. Then I'll change the case drain filters on it, and I'll change the air filters, and this thing is ready. Yeah, and she purrs like a little kitten. All right, y'all, there you go. That's what I'm doing today. finish this up, get this done, get that done, and do some more. God, it ain't nothing but work. And the bad thing about it is it's intense bolt twisting. Really and truly, it ain't gonna be that bad though. That's gonna be all a breeze. It's just getting past this right here. I'm having a difficult time trying to get past this. This is a distraction. But it's good because, well, that thoroughly pissed me off. But the truck is 24 years old. It'll be 24 years old come first of the year. So, you know, it's 24 years old, and it's time to really work on the truck. I did all my grounds. I went around every ground on here. I cleaned it, and I got dielectric grease, and I put dielectric grease on there, and then I reattached my grounds on there, and then I added that one. It's not really an add-on. It's supposed to be there, but it turns your hood into like an antenna, and it helps your radio. So I'm good with that. And man, that power steering pump was a bitch. Good luck. If you ever got to do one, good luck. I had to grind down one of my wrenches when I got the pulley on there, and I got it halfway on there. Well, it wasn't even halfway. Hell, it was just that much up on it, and I couldn't get it off, so I had to try to back it out. But the only thing was, you got a bolt that goes in the pump itself, so that when you're pushing with lock in, you can push it up on there, and then you got another one that fits over that bolt, screws onto it, and it's some of the most backwards bullshit I ever ran into in my life. Why don't they just fix it where you got a bolt on the end of that damn thing with a shiv or something? I mean, that'd be a whole hell of a lot easier than what I went through. Once I get all this done, I gotta get an air conditioning belt, and I gotta get a new belt right here. I keep spares. I keep spares of everything, really. Yeah, it's weird. But there you go, guys. Peace. Nanny, Southbot, and all that other good shit, and I'm on it.